Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get energy in Dark War Survival. In Dark War Survival, managing heroes is key to maintaining your efficiency in battles and marches. One way to boost energy is by using heroes with energy enhancing skills. For example, Victor has a zombie hunter progression skill that reduces energy consumption by 10% at 2 stars while also slightly adjusting march speed, and this bonus increases as you store him up further. Essentially, this allows you to preserve energy while completing tasks or moving troops. Beyond hero skills, participating in events can also grant energy rewards helping you stay active and competitive. Finally, joining an active alliance provides collective bonuses, including energy gains from growth, activities, and achievements, ensuring you always have the resources to keep your heroes engaged. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.